Hey friends, once again welcome to Learning Bean. Today I will show you how you can make an animation video without any cost. It's totally free. So when you're ready, let's get started.
If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update.
So all you have to do, just from your mobile, just open up your Play Store, your Google Play Store, then search for Plotagon. It's free software for making animation video. Now install it on your mobile. After installing this software, just open up your software. First time it's gonna take some time for loading. After opening your software, you have to register here. Registration is totally free, you don't have to worry. Then open up your software and click here. Now we're gonna create a new plot, but before creating a new plot, you can modify your character. Okay, let's create a new character. Here our character. You can change anything like head, its hair, beard, eyes, its clothes, everything. You're gonna choose male or female. So let's modify something like its head, its nose. Let's choose this one. Hair, not much better. Okay, this one good. Okay, here it is our character. You can choose any of this character. Let's create a new plot. Click plot, new plot. Now all you have to do, just create your first scene by clicking here. Choose your scene. Let's choose a free scene. There are a bunch of free scene you'll find here. Let's download this one. Okay, here we got our scene. Now all you have to do, just choose your character. Click on character. Now let's take a character. Okay, let's choose this one. Here a character. Now you can set your character to left or to right. If you want to set anywhere, just click this link. On desk or empty desk or middle. Okay, let's on desk. You can see it's on desk. You click anywhere like empty desk, empty desk here. Okay, let's here. Now choose another character by clicking here. This one. Okay, here are two characters. Now let's make conversation between them. Now all you have to do, just click here. Now first choose the character. Now Chris will be our first character. You can write anything. The robot will say your sentence, or you can create your own voice. Let's create here. Click our own voice. Click here. Now to record here, you have to click this one. Okay, let's create new voice. Hey Philip, how are you? Now set your voice. You can set physical movement, like it's natural. You can create like angry, afraid. You can set anything from here. Let's create another character by clicking here. Now Philip will answer. Chrissy, I'm good. How about you? So we made conversation between them. You can set your background sound, like by clicking here. You can give any background sound from your computer, from your mobile. So it's very easy to use. You'll understand everything once you go through this menu. Everything you'll understand. So finally, if you want to if you want to hear their sound, just click here. You can see there is no voice because screen recorder using my microphone. That's why if I turn off my screen recorder, then it will works fine. By this way you can create new scene, you can make conversation, you can change their body language, and you can use your own voice record here. So this is the way. And you can use this video for your YouTube videos if you don't want to show your face. If you want to delete anything, all you have to do is just drag it to left and click here. Okay, finally now you have to export your video. All you have to do, click here and save video file. You can export with subtitle or without subtitle. Let's without subtitle, and it will take some time for entering. Where you want to save to gallery. You can rename it as you want. Okay, click save. Done. It's already saved on your phone. If you cannot see on gallery, all you have to do, just go to your files, then go to Android, then go to data, go to data. You will see a folder like plotagon. You can search it here, PLO, plotagon files. Here your file. Let's play this one. So by this way you can use your own voice, you can make a animation video. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, write me in the comment section. Take care.